Hey guys, welcome back to my house tour. If you guys have seen my last videos, you have seen all the different walls and new rooms that I've been creating in my house. I live in a house that's built into a rock. So because of that, I want to have my house and all the rooms in it kind of have this unique built with the earth sort of feel. So we've been using universal rock panels to put on our walls to match the real rock. And right behind me is the latest renovation that we just got finished with, which is the kitchenette. And on these walls is Universal Rock's new Dragonstone sheet panels. This sheet panel is so awesome because it is super thin, 1 inch to 1/16 inch, and you can easily cut it. And all you need are staples to attach it to the wall. If you're gonna attach it to your bathroom, you'll probably have to do a little bit more preparation, but for the kitchenette purpose, that's all we did, just a staple gun. Now, what's cool about the wall that's right here is it looks like real rock, but it's not, and it has all of these different features that are unique. Not one sheet panel that you're gonna get from Universal Rocks is gonna be the same. And I just love it because the dark color blends so well into the steel, which I have raw steel sheets as my backsplash for my counters here. The other cool thing is, you can see if we feel it right here, the texture feels like rock, but it is not rock. It is Universal Rock. And what we did for the seams here is we actually used a little black silicone just to create sort of kind of like a realistic texture. If this was real rock and we were to engrave the steel into the rock, it provides like a really nice transition. So what we did for the transition is we used a black silicone on the edges to give it this sort of engraved look to it. I think it looks pretty cool. What do you guys think? So anyways, this is the Dragonstone Universal Rock sheet panels. You can get them online, and I highly recommend it. We're gonna be using this Dragonstone for other areas of the house, but I really like how this turned out. So if you guys wanna check out Universal Rocks, you can go to their Instagram page, their TikTok page. We are gonna have so many more renovations to come. Stay tuned. Make sure to always click here to subscribe, and I will see you guys later.